Life is a journey, and sometimes even the smallest changes can lead to profound transformations. While grand resolutions and ambitious goals are admirable, they can be overwhelming and challenging to maintain. The secret to long-lasting change often lies in the subtle adjustments and daily habits we incorporate into our lives. In this article, we will explore how making small changes can have a significant impact on your life. 1. Morning routine makeover. The way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Begin by adjusting your morning routine. Dedicate a few extra minutes to meditation, stretching, or even enjoying a wholesome breakfast. This can make a remarkable difference in your mood, energy levels, and productivity throughout the day. A calm and focused morning can significantly boost your overall well-being. 2. Mindful eating. Small adjustments in your eating habits can lead to big health benefits. Start by incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet and cutting down on processed foods. Eating mindfully, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's hunger cues can help prevent overeating and promote healthier eating habits. 3. Daily exercise. It doesn't have to be a grueling, time-consuming ordeal. Incorporating small doses of physical activity into your daily routine can yield big results. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, go for a short walk during your lunch break, or engage in a 10-minute home workout. These small changes can improve your fitness and overall health over time. 4. Digital detox. Our lives are increasingly intertwined with technology. While it's difficult to completely disconnect, small changes can help you regain control. Set specific times for checking emails and social media. Limit screen time before bedtime to improve sleep quality. Reducing your digital distractions can lead to better focus and work-life balance. 5. Gratitude journaling. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude can be transformative. At the end of each day, jot down 3 things you are grateful for. This simple practice can shift your mindset towards positivity and increase your overall happiness. 6. Learn something new. Continuous learning can add depth and richness to your life. Dedicate a few minutes each day to acquire a new skill or expand your knowledge. Read a book, watch educational videos, or take an online course. Over time, these small learning experiences will accumulate, broadening your horizons and boosting your self-esteem. 7. Declutter your space. A cluttered environment can lead to a cluttered mind. Devote a few minutes each day to declutter your physical surroundings. Tackle a small area at a time, whether it's a drawer, a closet, or a room. Simplifying your living space can bring a sense of order and peace. 8. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment, fully aware of your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings. By incorporating small moments of mindfulness throughout your day, such as taking a deep breath, observing your surroundings, or practicing gratitude, you can reduce stress and enhance your emotional well-being. 9. Cultivate relationships. Strengthening your connections with loved ones doesn't always require grand gestures. Small acts of kindness, such as sending a heartfelt message, making a phone call, or spending quality time together, can build and maintain strong relationships that bring joy and support into your life. 10. Budget and save. Financial stability is a crucial aspect of well-being. Create a budget and allocate a small portion of your income to savings or investments. Over time, these modest contributions can accumulate and provide financial security. 11. Sleep hygiene. Quality sleep is the foundation of good health. Small changes to your sleep routine, like going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, can improve sleep quality and help you feel more refreshed and energized. 12. Positive self-talk. Your inner dialogue can have a profound impact on your self-esteem and confidence. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths and accomplishments regularly. 13. Goal setting. Set small, achievable goals to work towards your bigger dreams. Celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Each small victory will motivate you to keep pushing toward your larger aspirations. In conclusion, it's often the little things that lead to the most significant changes in our lives. Embrace the power of small adjustments, and over time you'll see how they add up to create a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Remember, progress is not about the size of your steps, but the consistency with which you take them. Start today and watch how these small changes transform your life for the better.